In this video, we're going to test the effectiveness of washing a car with the Cleanup Microfiber Cloth, which is 70 by 50 centimeters. We have this Cleanup CU112XL microfiber cloth that measures 70 by 50 centimeters. It says here that it can be used for washing people, cleaning at home, washing cars, boats, and even animals. So it's eco-friendly. I'm going to wash a Ford Focus Electric, which is pretty dirty, using a Karcher high-pressure mini washer. To start off, I'm going to cover the dry car with high-activity foam. The car is covered in dust and also has bird droppings on it. So, it's urgent to wash it off quickly so that the droppings don't get embedded in the paint. After washing the car, I'm going to use this microfiber cloth to remove any excess moisture and wipe away the water streaks that will appear after washing the car. High pressure washing. So let's wash the car and see how this microfiber cloth wipes it down. After applying the active foam to the car, we'll wait 5 minutes and then rinse off the dirt with a strong jet of water. It's been 5 minutes and now we're going to rinse off the foam. Now, let's see how the bird droppings rinse off. Now, let's carefully open up the package to take a closer look at what this microfiber cloth is like. It's neatly packed inside a sturdy cardboard packaging, which ensures that the cloth remains protected during transit. This type of packaging is commonly used to prevent any damage or contamination before it reaches the customer. And let's check its actual dimensions. As we can see, the actual width is 50 centimeters and the length is 70, so the packaging isn't lying. The microfiber is gray and has a cleanup label that confirms its quality. It says here that it can be washed at a temperature no higher than 60 degrees. You can't iron it, and you shouldn't treat it with chemicals or other substances. With you. After rinsing off the shampoo, we'll wait a little and then start drying the water with a microfiber towel. The roof of the car is already dry, and the microfiber towel is still dry too, and it doesn't even wring out any water. So it absorbs moisture very well and is the right size. After wiping with this microfiber, the windows hardly leave any streaks, and they are effectively and thoroughly cleaned. And after it dries, the car will shine, and there won't be any spots on it. I've already wiped down the whole car. There's just the lower part of the doors, the bumper, and the sills left. To wipe them down, you need to get a little bit of water. I'm going to take some slightly warm tap water, and I'll be carefully rinsing the cloth in it to avoid scratching the paint with any sand particles that might be left on the lower part of the car's body. We wash the cloth very thoroughly and wring it out gently. And just shake it off. Now we can start wiping the lower part of the car doors, specifically the exterior of the vehicle. We wipe in circular motions to minimize streaks as much as possible. After wiping a small area, you need to keep rinsing the cloth to remove dirt, so it doesn't scratch the paint. can see that there is some shampoo and dirt left in the water that was not completely washed away by the high pressure washer. I'm using warm water so that the body dries faster, because it's winter outside and it's cool. Plus 5 degrees. After wiping down the car with a microfiber towel, you need to wait for it to completely dry, and then we'll check the results of this work. Here, finally, the water has dried, and the car has taken on a sleek and glossy appearance. The paint is shining beautifully and remarkably. There are absolutely no water streaks. Everything is perfect. After using the microfiber towel, it's important to wash it well in warm water and let it dry so it doesn't get musty. That way it will last longer.